Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of creating a modern travel poster design in Adobe Photoshop. Set the document size to 1080 by 1350. Go to the File menu, choose Place Embedded, select your image, and click Place. Adjust the image size and position. Select the Magic Wand tool and click on the screen part of the mobile. Press Ctrl+J for layer via copy of it. Again, go to the File menu, choose Place Embedded, select your image, and click Place. From the Select menu, choose Subject. Here I need some manual selection. I am using the Lasso and Quick Selection tool for it. Hold the Shift button to add to the selection and Alt to subtract. Press Ctrl+J for layer via copy of it. Use the Lasso tool and make a selection of the shadow. Then press Ctrl+J. Turn off its visibility by clicking on the eye icon. Right-click on the airplane image and choose Create Clipping Mask. Then apply a layer mask to it. Make the selection of this area using the Lasso tool. Select the Brush tool, use these settings. Make sure the foreground color is black. Then apply it as demonstrated. Right-click and choose Deselect. Then turn visibility back on of the shadow layer. Press Ctrl+L to open levels. Adjust the levels to get the perfect result. Go to the Ellipse tool and make a circle. Apply a blue fill color to it. Place the dotted map image into the design. And adjust its size and placement. Right-click on it and choose Create Clipping Mask. Change its blend mode to multiply and opacity to 15%. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate the ellipse layer. Press Ctrl+T and increase its size. Change its fill to outline. Then change its stroke to dashed and set gaps to 6. Increase its stroke to 2 points. Press Ctrl+T and follow my adjustments. Use the lasso tool and make a selection. Apply a layer mask to it. Press Ctrl+I to invert the selection. Place this plain image into the design. Follow my placement settings. Place the leaves shadow image into the design. Right-click on it and choose Flip Horizontal. Then place this arrow in the design. And decrease its opacity to 50%. Hold the Alt button to make a copy of it. Then place it here and rotate it. It's time to add the text to the design. Follow my text settings. I have this logo which I am placing in the design. Place the texture image in the design. Change its blend mode to multiply and opacity to 50%. Select the shadow layer and change the blend mode to multiply. Finally, add a solid color adjustment layer of red. And change its blend mode to hue. You can easily change the color with one click. And that's it. Share your thoughts on this. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. Make sure you head over to my YouTube channel, where I upload graphic-related tutorials. Thank you for watching.